Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a landing page on System.io, and it's pretty simple actually because they have a lot of templates. So when you signed in to your System.io, you're going to click funnels right here and you're going to create a new funnel right here. So you click create. After that, you're going to see your full domain name. You're going to name your funnel. So I'm again gonna call it YouTube example. So you need to choose your funnel goal. So whatever you're trying to do, let's click build an audience for today. So to collect email addresses and build your email list. Now for the currency, let's select US dollar and click save. Now after we have done that, you're just gonna click on this funnel, and as you can see, you can actually create your landing page with all of these examples. So let's select this template, for example, and let's name it ebook test. Now you want to edit this page. Now, as you can see, you can edit a lot of things here. So you can either leave it like that. You can actually delete, for example, this one like that. Get your free ebook. Something like that. Now you want to add an image file, for example, on this one. So you click right here and you upload your image. Now, as you can see, this image is, we can change its size. We can actually move it. So for example, you can do this. And as you can see, it's now in the middle. So that's basically how you edit everything. And after that, you want to save the changes and go back to your funnel list. Now you want to create a thank you page. So let's choose as an example this one. Now you want to again create a name and again edit this page. So we want to, for example, edit this button and write something else, for example. So here it is, a typography and a button text. So you basically can edit everything. And now when it's edited, you can also edit everything else and again save the changes. And after you saved it, you're gonna go back. So let's save it. Now what you want to do when you go here, you actually want to create an email campaign. So you go to emails and click on campaigns. After that, you click create and you're gonna name your campaign. So as a YouTube example, let's create this one and save it. Now when you are on campaigns, you basically just click on your campaign. Before that, you of course create one, and then you click create right here. And now you want to create a subject. So here is your ebook, sender name, and let's leave for the classic editor and let's click save. Now you want to edit everything. So of course you want to write everything like that. And let's write down, hey, here is your ebook. Here's your link to your ebook. And let's write down something like that. Now you want to add a link to you can either do it to one word or to the whole sentence, but basically I'm just gonna do it to the whole sentence. You click this button and you write down, for the sake of this video, let's write down Google, but basically that's how you do this. After that, you want to click Save and Publish, and you want to choose an email. This email will be sent after. Now, after you have saved and published, you basically just exit it. And now you want to basically connect everything. Let's go now to our funnels again. Now you want to choose the example the funnel you have created. And now you want to click Automation Rules right here. And you want to add a rule. Let's choose funnel from subscribed. And now edit automation rule. Add an action, and let's choose subscribe to campaign. Choose a campaign, so you have created one campaign, so you will see only one. Save the rule. And that's actually basically it. You want to view your funnel, how it looks like. And yeah, that's it. Then you click send me an ebook, and another one looks like that. So yeah, guys, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.